The first letter of wild animals. What animal is this? This is lion. A lion. Lion start with the letter L. Lion. Tiger. Tiger. Tiger start with the letter T. This is a zebra. Zebra. Zebra start with the letter Z. This is a monkey. Monkey. Monkey start with the letter M. Monkey. This is a hippo. 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 Hippo start with the letter H. This is an elephant. Elephant. Elephant start with the letter E. This is a snake. Snake. Snake start with the letter S. This is a bear. Bear. Bear start with the letter B. This is a gorilla. Gorilla. Gorilla start with the letter G. And this is a rhino. Rhino. Rhino start with the letter R.